done, make sure your friends aren't around, and I'll teach you. Come on, let's go. All right, welcome back. You're not going to believe how easy this is. Now, if you're under 18, do not use matches. You can use a straw, and I'll show you how that works too, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a match. Now, you're actually not seeing all of my fingers. I put the match in between my finger and fingernail. Get it to stick there just like, sometimes it's harder to do than, it helps if you have longer fingernails, okay? There you go. So it's sticking right there, all right? Then I just come like this, and there you go. You can actually see it now. It's just floating like that. You see? And then I'll come around and show you the back. I'm just moving it back side to side. Now don't put it on one of these fingers because it'll be a lot lower and you won't be able to see it. So put it on your second finger. Put your fingers together like this. All right? And then you can just move it like this. You see? Now, let me show you with the straw. Very easy to do. You just need a straw and you need a piece of tape. So I'm going to take the tape, put it on the straw, put it on the same finger. Just going to put it right like this, okay? And there you go. Now, what you can do, what you cannot do with the match, this is better, is I like to put my thumbs right on the straw like this, and then I move my thumbs away like this. So right there, it looks like it's floating now, and then you move it, all right? So then you can actually, when you're done, you can hold it back like that. So let me show you. You put your thumbs on there like this, okay? Move your thumbs away, and then you can move it back and forth like that. Look at that. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Pretty nice, easy, simple to do, impromptu trick with either a straw or matches. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. I'm just joking, it's a prank. I'll show you how to actually make this. It looks like somebody's actually teared the paint off of the wall. All you do is get you a piece of paper, you fold it in half. What I'm gonna do is actually rip, kind of like a triangle going right down, like that. Now you wanna leave a little bit of a point right there. And what I'm gonna do is actually take one of the ends of the paper and you wanna make it curl a little bit, okay? Then you get your piece of double-sided tape right here, stick it on the wall. You wanna make sure it's a little bit higher up than eye level. That way nobody can see the top of that, like this. You see, and there you go. Have fun with it. Thanks a lot. If you're not a subscriber yet, if you don't mind, go ahead and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, leave a comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks a lot. This is a good time for everybody to practice right now. We can't do anything, so practice your magic. And hopefully I'll come out with some more videos soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.